Hello everyone. For today's discussion, we are going to talk about deciles of ungroup data. Next. When we say decile, the deciles are the 9 score points which divide a distribution into 10 equal parts. Diba sa quartile, our distribution is divided into 4 equal parts. But in decile, it is divided into 10 equal parts. But we only have a total of 9 division. Okay? In quartile, we only have 3 division and we have 4 total of equal parts. Now let me first illustrate to you what is decile. Just for example, we have a whole. Our whole is divided into 10 equal parts, but we only have 9 division. So we have first decile, second decile, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth decile. So starting from our leftmost corner of our whole, we have 10%, followed by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Now, let us proceed to our formula for decile. So in solving decile, we have formula, which is the d sub k is equal to k multiply the quantity of n plus 1 over 10, wherein our k is the position. So the range of our position is from 1 to 9. If kung hinahanap natin is decile 6, our k is 6. If hinahanap natin is hinahanap natin is the 7th decile or the 6th decile or the 5th decile, 4th decile, yun po yung k natin. Wherein the n is the total number of data. Alam naman na ninyo yun. Okay? Now, in solving decile, we have steps, di ba? So for our first step is, arrange lang po natin yung data into ascending order. After na natin ma-arrange, we will use the formula to calculate the position. And after that, after natin ma-use yung formula, let us check if our answer is a whole number or decimal. Kapag whole number, we will not proceed to the following step. But if our answer has a decimal number, we will proceed to our third step. We will find the difference between the two values wherein d sub k is located. Just for example, our d sub k is equal to 4.6. So 4.6 position is between the fourth and fifth position. Okay? Now, what's the fourth step? After getting the difference, get the decimal part result in step 2 and multiply it with the result in step 3. And last, add the result in step 4 to the smallest number in step 3. So for us to easily understand what are these steps, let us have an example. So for example, the following given data are the agility test score of 9 pairs of Captain Ace. We have Santino 15, Jonas 23, Adrian 21, Ronald 16, Princess 24, Gabriel 18, Joy 26, Rio 29, and Ashley 30. So what is our step or what is our first step? Our first step is arrange the data in ascending order. So first, yung pinakamababa, our first data, Santino 15, then Ronald 16, Gabriel 18, Adrian 21, Jonas 23, Princess 24, Joy 26, Rio 29, and last Ashley 30. After we arrange the data in ascending order, what is our second step? Our second step is we will use the formula to calculate the position. Now let us solve for third decile and ninth decile. So yeah, our second step is the formula to calculate the position. Let us first solve for the third decile. Now, here is our formula, right? Now, we will just substitute our k, and then our k is We are solving for decimal 3, therefore our k is 3. Tapos yung n natin, bilangin lang natin sila 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So substitute na natin. Our k will become 3 and 3 again. Yung n natin magiging 9. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Then copy. 10 times 3 is equal to 30. So 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. Therefore, our d sub 3 or our third decimal is on third position. So let us count 1, 2, 3. Therefore, our third decimal is equal to 18. Now, let us solve for decile 9. So our k now is equal to 9 and n is equal to 9 also. So let us substitute to our formula. D sub k is equal to k multiply the quantity of n plus 1 over 10. Our k will become 9 and our n will become 9 also. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 times 9 is equal to 90. 90 divided by 10 is equal to 9. Our ninth decimal is equal to the ninth position. So what is the ninth position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, our ninth decimal is equal to 30. So let's have another example. Captain Ace wants to distribute food allowance for a total of 12 families based on the number of individual per family. To solve for the 6th decimal, we have this data 3, 5, 6, 14, 10, 9, 15, 7, 4, 11, 8, and 12. Now, 2, 4, 6, 8. So let us arrange our data. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, and 15. Now we are going to solve for the, or we have to solve for 6 decimal. Now, if we are solving for 6 decimal, our k now is equal to 6. And our n is the total number of our data. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Our n is 12. So substitute 6, 6, n is 12. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So 13 times 6 is equal to 78. So 78 divided by 10 is equal to 7.8. What have you noticed with our answer? It is a decimal number. Therefore, we will proceed to linear interpolation. Okay? Our answer is 7.8. So what is our third step? Find the difference between the two values wherein d sub k is located. So our d sub k or our 6 decimal is equal to 7.8 position. 7.8 is in between of 7 and 8 position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we will find the difference between the two values. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Let us proceed to our fourth step. Get the decimal part result in step 2 and add and multiply it with the result in step 3. Now, what is the decimal? It is 0.8. Then let us multiply it to the result of this step 3. So 0.8 times 2 is equal to 1.6. So for our step 5, for our last step, add the result in step 4 to the smallest number in step 3. So our result in step 4 is 1.6. So we will add to the smallest number in step 3. The smallest number in step 3 is 7. So 1.6 plus 7 is equal to 8.6 position. Now, our 6th decimal is equal to 8.6 position. You understand? Another example, same problem, but we are looking for the third decile. So we will arrange in ascending order. After that, we will calculate the position. So we are finding for the third decile. So therefore, our k is equal to 3 and our n is equal to 12. Substitute 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 13 times 3 is equal to 39. 39 divided by 10 is equal to 3.9. Our answer is with decimal again. Therefore, we will proceed to linear interpolation. 3.9. Our step 3 is find the difference between the two values wherein d sub k is located. 3.9 is between of the third and fourth position. So we have 4 and 5. We will find the difference. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Step 4, get the decimal part result in step 2 and multiply it with the result in step 3. Our decimal point is zero point 0.9, right? So we will multiply it to the result in step 3. 0 0.9 times 1 is equal to 0 0.9. Our last step is add the result in step 4 to the smallest number in step 3. So the result in step 4 is 0 0.9. And we will add to the smallest number in step 3. The smallest number in step 3 is 4. Therefore, my 0 0.9 plus 4 is equal to 4.9 position. Therefore, our sixth decile is equal to 4.9 position.